everyone, welcome back. If you've been following me, you've seen that I've been working on a Vampirina outfit for my daughter. You can be creative in using inexpensive items that you have at home already, or going out and buying some cheap fabric like felt. My local store has them for 40 cents a sheet, which is really good. Black felt, a headband, a template for the wings. You're also gonna need cardboard. I use this type of cardboard for support. I'm gonna cut the template, trace it on my cardboard, trace it onto my fabric, leaving a little bit extra along, because that's where I'll be sewing. Already sewed all around. I left an opening big enough just to put in the cardboard. You may have to play with it a little bit and fold it so it can go in place. To cover your headband, you will need 2 pieces of fabric the length of your headband. One is going to be wide enough to cover the headband and then fold it inward and glue it in. Then the last piece is going to be thin enough to cover the center of the inside of the headband. At the end of each bat wing, there is 2 little flaps that can wrap around the headband. Glue those on the marked area of your headband. Lastly, you will need to add a piece of fabric or ribbon around the wings to simulate pigtails for Vampirina. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you'd like to check out the outfit, please go to my channel and check the other videos.